Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE. The standard deduction amounts for taxpayers have increased for 2012. The new deduction amounts are listed in the table below. To read the chart, first choose the filing status of the individual. Then, follow the chart to the right to determine the standard deduction amount. Also, exemption values have changed for 2012. The amount a taxpayer can deduct for each exemption claimed on a federal income tax return has increased to $3,800. Let's look at a review question. James is a single 24-year-old who is not disabled in any way. What is his standard deduction for 2012? A. $8,700, B. $11,900, C. $7,250, or D. $5,950. The correct answer is D. $5,950. This is the standard deduction for a single taxpayer for 2012. Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.